In order to find trash on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you can go to the settings. Then in the settings, you can scroll down and find device care, and then go here. Now go to storage. And then over here at the bottom, you should be able to find trash. So you can open it in order to find all apps that have something, some data in the trash, and you can take a look at them, at those items, at those data, in order to either delete them forever or restore everything. In fact, you can also just open any app that you wish to check, let's say gallery, because most of these apps that contain data, some sort of, can contain the trash as well, so you don't have to go to the settings in order to find it. So for instance, in gallery, you can tap on these three lines in the bottom right corner, and then you have trash over here. So this is how you can access trash from the gallery, of course. If you go, let's say, to my files, over here at the very bottom, you should also be able to find trash. So be sure to check that out. If you don't want to go through the settings all the time, be sure to check if it is possible to find trash inside of the app instead. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!